Using our sun. Look at how dark it's getting. Well, hey YouTubers, we're going to try again to get a short one. And without a timer, I'm definitely going to have to get a timer into the act because I'm really bad at this, cutting it short. So, I'm transplanting today. It's Flower Day, May 1st, 2009, in the jungles of Hawaii. And
well, I took a shitload of pictures.
that's what we need. We need a slideshow from you on YouTube.
Yeah.
With all our beautiful pictures. It's so great to have our own pictures, our own slideshow of our own flowers, our own plants. It's just a wonderful feeling. We've lived in tight quarters and we've been homeless, and we know how all that feels. And this is, you know, a piece of trash probably to a lot of people's eyes. You know, it's a nothing. But on the other hand, if you got nothing and you're starting with nothing, it's pretty nice nothing. I mean, I don't get wet anymore in the rain. And let me tell you, it rains. Okay, so we got another hunk of mint. You can see I've cut it up. And I'm going to cut it up some more. Okay, now we put too much dirt in here, of course, so we dump a little. That's how come we do it in the wheelbarrow. We try not to dump any cinders in here, just dirt here, because there's a lot of things you don't want cinder in, but then there's a lot of things that really works real well with cinder. So. And so we have another mint. And I don't know whether it's a spearmint or peppermint. I have planted, oh, I'm going to see that later. I've planted both peppermint seed and spearmint seed. And these are all babies from you, and I don't know which mint they are. So I just call them mint. And I have some catnip. Well, I hope I didn't throw all the catnip away. I might have to start over with catnip, but it grows pretty good. My friends with cats enjoy taking plants of catnip home. Is he saying he gets high? Oh, I wanted to do the tall guy. Oh, well, I did it. Oh, I have much left. Now what I have to do is take something up and fill up the a pot, not that big, with cinder, and bring it back and dump it into this one, because this one would be too heavy for me to move after I did fill it up. So I can walk it with littler guys and dump it into this guy. Or I can take a wheelbarrow, and if they're not all busy, we usually have a number of wheelbarrows around, and a wheelbarrow from up there down to here, in order to have enough cinder to put in the bottom of things. Cinder works real good as a drain. Okay, so we need some dirt in this one, and what are we putting in this one? Oh, the last of the mint. And then we're going to some tall guys in the other pot. Okay, let's cut that. Okay, one more mint. Okay, let's see. Put you up there. Okay, I gotta do these guys. They're just so neat. I keep forgetting them because, oh, there's 3 of them. I thought there was only 2. Oh, actually, there's a bunch more all together. But I can plant them together because they just dry out in the sun if they don't have a couple of buddies to help shade them. So we'll try leaving them in the size that they are, but just giving them a bigger pot. Oh, dill. It smells so good. So, let's see. Do they have a date on here you can read? No, that it's already melted, or sun bleached or something. Oh well, I think it would be December 12th. December, January, February, March, April, May. So they're not quite. So they're about 4 months old here. That's May 1st. Did I get that right? Well, don't worry about it. If I didn't, it doesn't count. Okay, so we're going to do a pot like this and give them a start. Oh, we're out of cinder. Oh, well, darn. Can I put my order in for some cinder? Pronto, pronto? Darn. Oh, I think I feel sprinkles. Oh, we might have to move.
Normally the ends of the wheelbarrow handles are rounded off. They got too lazy to round them off.
No, I need cinder so I can finish off with the wheelbarrow, but it's starting to sprinkle. I wonder if I should even attempt. See, I want to do that dill, and I just have that much left. It should be just right. And I could have done that myself, but I wondered if I could get you to do it. Bye, YouTubers.